Welcome to Echotraders. Sorry about that. Okay, here's a trade we're watching intently as the YM has bullied its way to higher highs. It's short of a larger time frame target by 11 ticks. Now that's only $55. Um, And now we're looking for a retracement to the downside, and we have money off targets down here. So I'm going to zoom in and show you where that's coming from. Okay, so we have some fibs on here. We have a confluence box way down here to the 17,700s areas. And the confluence number is 17704 and 17701. That does not mean it'll stop if it just drops, if the hammer drops. But we know we have a confluence moving average, SMA here, and that SMA number we will turn on. But until we can get down in there, we need this here area here to hold as resistance and the market to start trading, as it has indicated it's willing to trade below our EMA. And this year market is starting to produce some nice results from that. Next target down here is 17,814, and then we have 17,798. We'll come back and keep you updated. Market ever so slowly coming down, just tediously. 78, 17814. There it is. Finally. Now we'll have the same problem here. Probably will before we get down to our next target. And of course, we're aiming for SMA. It's a nice simple target. And that's at 17,763. That number should slowly begin to flatline across. It shouldn't keep coming up, but it may come up with slight momentum. It takes a longer time for that larger number to stop rising, but it should slow down from the rise. Unless 17,798 is our next target. If the market comes down and finds that as a good support target. Now, if we look left, 17,797 way over here on the left-hand side of your chart was a target coming up, and that's a confluence area coming back down to retest for support. Now, if that does find support there, then that's the reason that we have that designated as a money off target. Of course, where the market has already come to, you must lock in money, so it's a positive trade. Even if it's not a large trade, it still must be positive. Okay, we had mentioned the market likes nice round numbers, and our confluence area here was 17,800, 17,999, 17,799, which it just reached, and 17,798, and we're looking for, look left, 17,797. This here's our money off, or you lock it in to try to get to our confluence numbers down here to the bottom side. Sorry about the bird in the background. He likes to whistle and squawk. And so we're just try to manage that winning trade to lower targets. Our main lower target, the easiest one to spot regularly is the SMA when we're trading, and that's highlighted on the red. I put the polka dots on the line, And we aim for that target and try to hang on to your extension targets, your 127, 141, and the 161 confluence, mark confluence with earlier inside the box trade at 17,704 and 17,701, looking for exhaustion once you get there, if the market gets there. Now, so what we want to see is the market okay, move down through our blue arrow area. And then as it gets close to the 100, so let's say roughly here somewhere, 1785, 17,789, and then retest that blue line and then mosey on down here to the 17,766. Now you'll notice that 17,766 is slowly beginning to stabilize. So it makes a target easy. It's not a moving target so much now. Okay, so here we go. This year market has come down, and now we want to see the retest of 17,798 area, and it's doing that right now. We want to see that hold as a resistance. Now, it may not be quite as clear as it is beginning to look, but that's what we need to get to our next targets down. And you'll see it's retesting, etc. So as long as you lock in money, or if you've taken part of your position off, which we suggest at 17,798, then you had a nice positive trade. Now you can look to re-enter. We're looking at roughly 17,814 as your pullback to grab a hold of this guy. The price action candle is trading below the blue EMA, and we're aiming for the SMA. So hang on to it if you can. If not, let the market take you gracefully out of the trade in the money, but that's the way it goes. All right. There's a reason this 17,798 area is a money off. There's a reason for it. Okay. We'll come back and do a real quick update in 5 or 6 minutes. So I know it's a little more than 5 or 6 minutes, but this year market has walked us sideways here. We do look for it to retest 17,814. That's where our EMA is here now. Now that is 16 ticks that you would be giving back to the market, the equivalent of an $80 bill. And you could be giving back more. So the money off target is a good example to take part of your position off and then add it back on if the market is still willing to trade to lower targets. Much better idea than giving it all back. Till next time, trade well, my friends.